Oh, where you going, Joe? Walking like you don't know where you're going?
Yeah.
Hi everyone, come join us as we explore what Niantic has to offer. Today we're visiting local businesses and attractions.
Located about 10 minutes from the Chapman Woods community is the Niantic Bay Boardwalk, a 1 mile long walkway along Niantic Bay. This is a great place to take in the beautiful scenery, go for a relaxing walk, or take a swim at one of the many local beaches. On the way back from enjoying the beach and boardwalk, stop by a local favorite, Giuliano's Bakery. They have an extensive menu for breakfast items, lunch, and tasty pastries. Just down the street from Giuliano's Bakery is Connecticut's largest bookstore, the Book Barn. In addition to buying used books, they have a variety of books for readers of all ages to get lost in. While you are there, pick up a book to read in one of many peaceful garden areas and say hello to their fur friends. In addition, approximately 5 minutes from Chapman Woods is the East Lyne Senior Center, which is located within the East Lyne Community Center.
Thank you for joining us on this eventful day.
Are you a local business that would like to be featured? Contact me today.